I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to install the Zoom and how to get into the meeting with the meeting ID and everything. So first you have to click on Play Store and search for Zoom. Yeah. Next thing, you just have to click the install here. And it's installing. Done. Now it's installing now. Yeah, now it's installed and we just have to open it. And here, if you don't want to sign up or sign in, you just want to have the meeting without any sign up or sign in, you just have to click the join the meeting and click whatever your ID of the meeting is there. And if you don't want to connect the audio, you can just click this button, or if you just want to turn off your video, both you can do at a time. And once you click the meeting ID, just click join meeting. I just gave a rough idea. This is not a valid meeting ID, but if you want to go, you can go in. Thank you.